Hello guys, today I'm going to show you what EAS alarms I like. Basically you can see the screen. The first one that I like is South African Republic. Let's see. Right here. What? It's a siren. But it's actually fake because it's a mix of EAS alarms. Next up we have don't ask why. Wait. I'm trying to feel. Okay, I quit. This is a masterpiece. Next we have. Next up we have. Oh wait. Good. It's kind of a vibe, not gonna lie, and that's just a vibe, normal vibe. Yeah, I know this is a mix of EAS alarms and a mock, but this EAS. Wait, what? Okay, let's start. It's not gonna lie. No, just ignore this thing. And it also has a pretty scenario. I'm gonna watch it after making this video. Next up, we have a pretty unique EAS alarm. Yep, Jordan, I meant. I like it. Is it Jordanese? Oh, it doesn't have a Jordanese caption. Okay, that's cool. Good. Okay, next one. It's kind of funny. It's weird also. Last but not least. What is this? What is these explosions? What was that? That was it, but what was the song at the last? Not gonna lie, that's pretty weird. So I like it because I don't know. Yeah. Anyways, that was it for today's video. And hope you guys like and subscribe. And I'm going to see you in the next video. Goodbye.